First of all, I'm going to start by showing you guys how to actually download videos from your own YouTube channel. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going to show you guys how to download videos of other creators legally on the YouTube platform. Now, to download your own videos on your channel is quite easy. Just come to youtube.com, click on this profile button, click on YouTube Studio. It's going to load up a little bit. Now, once it's done loading, just go ahead and click on content. Once you click on content, it's going to show you each and every one of your videos, just as you can see right now. Now, to download any of your videos on your channel, simply click the three dot icon. You are going to see the download button. Click the download button and wait a bit. And as you can see, it has started downloading. So that's just how it is done. It's very, very simple and very, very easy. So as you can see, it's done downloading. So I will click on the folder icon, and you can see the video is right there on my PC. So now let's move on to me showing you how to download videos of other creators while on the YouTube platform. So to do that, go to youtube.com. Now do make sure that you are using a Chrome browser, because it mostly works better when you are using a Chrome browser. So just scroll and look for any video that actually spark your attention. So just look for any video that spark your attention. I think I'm going to be going with let me say this video, for example. So once you click on the video, just wait for the ads to finish playing. Wait for the ads to finish playing, because if the ad is not done playing, most times you won't be able to, download it.
That Tony and I shared at the AI Advantage Summit.
All right now, that's it for that. Now, let's click on the three dot icon. If you do not see the download button in the option, click on the three dot icon. You can see the download button in here. So once I click on download, you are going to see that you'll be able to download in two versions for free. Now we can download low quality, we can download on standard quality, but if we want a higher quality like full HD and high quality, we are going to need YouTube Premium. So if you want to be able to download at a very high quality, then just simply get YouTube Premium. But if you are okay with standard, you can go ahead and download on standard. And right now it has started downloading. Now to access the download tab, just click on this three dot icon you can see here. Click on it, scroll down, you are going to see this use section. In here you are going to see your download tab. So this is the download tab. So if I click on it, you see that the videos that I've been downloading, any video that I've downloaded on YouTube is going to be in here. Right now you can see that this one is downloading and it is 15%. So this is where you'll be able to watch any video that you have downloaded on YouTube offline while on the YouTube platform. Now that's just how it works. Now when it comes to doing it on your mobile device and your iOS devices, it's still the same procedure. Just open your YouTube app, look for any video that you're actually interested in, click the download button. You can either go premium or you can use standard, and then click your profile icon and you are going to see your download tab on your mobile device. So that's just how it is done legally. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.